Number one question: how did the player adapt their strategy against the opponent with the defensive style versus an offensive one? Adapting strategy against defensive versus offensive opponents against defensive players, fittings and variations defensive players is based on the consequence and regarding shot, variation spin and speed. Use the mix of the top spin, back spin and no spin shots to disrupt their rhythm and create openings. Attacking weak spot target their weaker side. Against offensive players is a quick relapses and blocking. Side their service and returns. Control the tempo. Anticipating ang decision. Ano na ba? Number 2 question. What factors determine particular shot deal balance between power and control? Factors determining the ideal balance between power and control. Number 1. Shot text. Distance from the table and opponent's position and spin. Number 2. Player skill. Skill level is advanced players can win greater power while maintaining accuracy due to refined techniques. Next, equipment foster, rubbers, and blade favor power file slower ones offer more control. Next, and risk versus reward. Power shot when the high works but can quickly end points, while control shot power safer and maintain free shot. Sunod the last question na the activity 1. How can player anticipate their opponent's their next move based on body language, stance, and previous play patterns? Anticipating opponent's moves is analyze the body language, stance, and footwork for clues about the shot. Study patterns from previous play and adjust in real time based on their reactions.